To set up gap fills, you will need to go on the listing view, in the Customize tab, and in the minimum stay section. Here, I have all of my setup for my minimum stays. So in this case, for instance, I have my minimum stay of 4 nights and a seasonal minimum stay of 7 nights for summer. Please refer to the video on minimum stay settings to know more on how to set these rules. This video will only focus on the gap fills. So having this configuration, when I go to the calendar, I can see that I have 2 nights here that are not available because they are not respecting the 7-night minimum stay that I've set up for summer in my minimum stay section in the Customize tab. If I want, exceptionally, these nights to be available because they are parts of gaps, I can go in the Customize tab and I can reduce my minimum stay to fill the gaps. For instance, I'm okay to accept 1 night minimum stay if they are parts of a gap. So saving the changes here and going back to calendar, I will see that these nights became available because they are in a gap. However, I can see that the minimum that is now effective is a 2-night minimum stay. How so, given that I put 1 night as a minimum? Basically, because I said in the minimum stay setting that I was not flexible. I've put nothing in the flexibility window. So the client will actually be able to book only for a stay that is the size of the existing gap. Since the existing gap now is 2 nights, I can only book for 2 nights. If I want to be flexible and I want to leave the possibility to the client to book, for instance, for 1 night and to another client to book for the other nights, I will say that I'm flexible and I will put, for instance, here 1 night in my flexibility window. So now when I go to calendar, I see that the setting is changing, and I'm able to book now for 1 night and another client can book for another night, for instance. So when setting up your gap fills, do not forget to specify if you're flexible or not, or if you only want the size of the gap to be available. You can also decide to have different rules for specific periods of time, either to have a different configuration for a specific period, either to exclude a period from this existing configuration. Here, for instance, we can imagine that our client for summer is not willing to fill the gaps because the owners are not ready to accept stays that are less than 7 nights. So for instance, I can add a seasonal rule and I can exclude this setup from today until the end of summer, for instance. And in this case, when I go to calendar, I can see that the dates cannot be booked anymore because I'm in summer.